Alright guys, welcome to Path Design Lab Tutorials, and today we're gonna learn how to model floating staircase. For now, you open Revit and you go to new and you start a new project. Then you select, if you want to use feet and inches, you can use the imperial method, but if you want to use millimeters or meters, you can use the metric method, and I prefer using the metric. So I select the template profile, and here we go. Here is a new project, and so now I'll have to select first and know where my elevation or the height of the staircase. Now we have, this is the ground level, and we have here level 2, which is the top level, as 4 meters from the ground level to the top. So now let's see. We'll give it a wall. We draw a wall right through here. This is a wall, and you press the escape key, and you go to architecture again and look for the staircase. You have it here. You select the staircase, and what you do, you can set your specifications or your properties, set them. Like for this run location line, you say run center. If I want to run to the exterior support left, I can do that if I want. And the actual run width, that's the width of this, and which is 1 meter, which is normally used for a residential staircase. And here again, let me just say let me just select private staircase. That is for residential most times. And the calculation that has been done automatically for the staircase from the ground floor to the first floor. So now if you come to this point, you can also see there are so many steps here that you need to follow, like the run time. Now this run time is where you can get the thread and the risers. This is the construction area, the construction aspect, how you want your staircase to look like. And so now if we are to get, we'll just click OK for now, so that we go step by step. And then we have our staircase right here. Let's say we'll just have it straight. So let's just adjust it to the wall itself. Now after creating it, you click OK. Now you go to edit type. Here are the properties. Now if I want the riser to be, let me say 150, then the thread to be like 300, let's just say. Then now here is the construction type, how you want the staircase to look like. Now if I want a floating staircase, it simply means that I need a staircase that has no riser. If a staircase does not have any riser, it simply means that it's a floating staircase. So now we go to these wood steps with 50mm thread. We click there and we can see another settings. So now here again is another parameters that you need to set. So now here is the thread material. The thread is where you step your foot on when you are climbing a stair. And now this is the riser material, how I want the riser color to look like if I want a riser. But since we are just making a floating staircase, there is no riser needed. So what I need to do, I will just leave it like that and give the material to the thread. So now the thread, you come to the thread setting. If you want the thread to be activated or to be represented in the staircase, you can leave it. You cannot uncheck this one. Now you come to the riser settings. Now this is the riser. If I don't want any riser to be there, I can just uncheck this one. Here we go. We click apply, click OK. Then you click apply, you click OK. So now let's go to 3D and see. So here is the floating staircase. So the gap you are seeing here is actually meant for the riser. So since you uncheck the riser settings, it simply means that you don't need it and it won't show there. Thank you. This is Path Design Lab. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook. Thank you.